05 GTO, heads, cam, intake, put it all in the description. Cold start, cutouts about halfway open or so. Found if the cutouts are about halfway open, going through the magnaflow mufflers, it sounds pretty badass, so I'll show you. As you can tell, it's a big cam car. 05. Pretty clean. Need to put some wheels on it. Just got done doing the Pedders suspension. Like that Hurst shifter. That dashboard right there has 2 tunes on it. It's one mild tune and then one aggressive tune. This cam was hard as shit to tune. That intake, excuse me, that intake sucks. It's bowling. I think that's what's choking it out right now. But besides that, I need injectors, a catch can. As you can see right there, I deleted that because the oil was blowing back into the intake and screwing up the math. But besides that, this thing's pretty much got everything done to it. PRC, 225cc heads, obviously a fast 102. It's got the Texas Speed Tsunami cam. It's a 235, 240 on like a 640 something lift on the intake side and like a 6 on the exhaust. Surprisingly, this thing, well, not surprisingly, but it makes 514 to the wheel. But surprisingly, the duty cycle on the injectors is still under 80%, which is where you want to be. Got some weight reduction, the V-brace, everything that you guys see. All the normal stuff. Besides that, she gets up and goes hard. No traction, first and second gear. Kiss first and second gear goodbye. Probably because I got skinny ass 255s on the back. So let's see what it sounds like with the cutouts closed. Check this out. Not bad, huh? Cruising down the highway like 80 miles an hour. You close those cutouts, you swear you're in a stock Cadillac. It's crazy. Let me show you what they look like. Exhaust is leaking a little bit. It's just water because it was moist last night, but now I'll open them up. Alright, pretty sweet setup. Thanks for watching. And next videos are going to be massive burnouts to get rid of these small tires. Have a good day.